If you want a motorhome that's futuristic, off-grid, and reliable, here's the unpopular truth. The most advanced rigs are often the least usable because they get heavy, complicated, and fragile. So today we're going smaller and smarter. This is an ultralight expedition Class B, a van-based motorhome concept built around one goal: maximum off-grid days per pound. Not fantasy, not gimmicks, just a design that works. Here's what determines whether you actually travel. Weight affects fuel economy, braking, tires, maintenance. Complexity affects downtime. And usable systems, power, water, heat. A heavy Class A can be incredible, but it's also a commitment. A well-built Class B is freedom. You can park anywhere, drive mountain roads without sweating, fit into normal spaces, and spend less time fixing things. So the concept rule is simple. If it doesn't increase reliability or efficiency, it doesn't get added. Ultralight Expedition B keeps a clean, future van look. Matte metallic body with a smooth roofline. Black glass visor styling up front. Subtle, not cartoon. Flush side windows with recessed frames. Minimal exterior add-ons that catch wind. Most overland vans bolt everything to the outside. Ladders, boxes, racks, jerry cans. It looks cool, but it's noisy and inefficient. This concept hides the capability inside. Roof solar sits low and bonded. The awning is integrated. Vents are minimized and consolidated. Gear storage is internal and modular. It's quiet. It's clean. It's aerodynamic. It looks expensive because it's not cluttered. People think off-grid is about having the biggest battery. It's not. It's about running loads that don't punish you. So this van is designed around a realistic power system. 10 to 20 kilowatt-hours LiFePO₄. Enough to matter, not insane. 600 to 1000 W solar, good daily recovery in sun. 2000 to 3000 W inverter, covers induction, tools, and normal life. DC first appliances to reduce conversion losses. And the rule: no energy-hungry gimmicks. That means heat pump if it fits and works efficiently. Otherwise, diesel heater for cold, very common, efficient. Induction cooktop used intelligently. No giant electric water heater running all day. The vibe is modern, but the math is responsible. The magic of a great Class B is the layout. Ultralight Expedition uses 3 zones. Zone 1, cab plus swivel lounge. Swivel seats become the front lounge. No wasted space. Zone 2, galley plus wet bath. A single-wall, chef-line galley with real prep space. A compact wet bath. Yes, wet bath, it's realistic for weight and size. Zone 3, rear sleep plus gear garage. A fixed bed platform because simplicity equals reliability. Underbed gear garage for bulky items. No slide-outs, no moving walls. Just a layout that's honest and efficient. This is where most concepts lie, so we keep it practical. Single induction hob, deep sink, 12V compressor fridge, pull-out pantry drawers, and a flip-up counter extension for prep. Because in a van, counters matter more than fancy materials. And materials are chosen for weight plus durability. Lightweight composite cabinetry, aluminum framing where needed, scratch-resistant surfaces, easy clean finishes. The kitchen looks premium because it's clean and well-designed, not because it's huge. Water kills vans in winter. So the concept uses 20 to 35 gallons fresh, balance for weight, compact gray tank. All plumbing routed inside the conditioned space. A simple manifold with shutoffs, and an easy drain-down mode. Optional but realistic upgrade. A small point-of-use water heater, only heats what you need, and an exterior quick shower port with a proper drain plan. The theme is simple systems, easy access, fewer surprises. For cold climates, the simplest reliable solution is a diesel air heater. It sips fuel and barely touches the battery. So Ultralight Expedition uses diesel heater for heat, roof fan ventilation, insulated window shades, and careful vapor management to prevent condensation. If you go heat pump, it's optional and depends on packaging and climate. But the core design assumes the most reliable route. Because nothing ruins trips faster than the fancy system is broken again. Expedition does not mean giant tires and metal everywhere. It means sensible all-terrain tires, modest lift if needed, protective skid plate where it matters, recovery points, and weight kept low. And here's a realistic feature that feels futuristic. A modular interior rail system. You can clip in storage boxes, bike mount, tool drawers, even a folding desk, and remove them when you want open space. So the van adapts without permanently bolting junk everywhere. We keep the no-leak philosophy here too. Access panels for electrical and plumbing. Labeled wiring looms. Components grouped logically. And everything that might fail placed where you can reach it. The goal is, if something goes wrong, you fix it in minutes, not days. That's what makes a van travel-friendly. Trade-offs are real. It's not a rolling mansion. Wet baths are compact. Storage must be managed. Solar depends on sun. And you have to live efficiently. But compared to big rigs, you gain mobility, easier parking, lower costs, and way less maintenance stress. Layout, 19 out of 20. Weight realism, 19 out of 20. Energy realism, 18 out of 20. Manufacturability, 18 out of 20. Safety/legal, 17 out of 20. Total, 91 out of 100. Translation, this isn't just future vibe. It's a design you could actually build. Vote the next realistic concept. A. Smart Service Coach. Modular replaceable components, easy upgrades. B. Range Core V2. Tighter EV/hybrid design with even more realistic charging strategy. Comment A or B.